Okay, everybody, this is May 5th on crude oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the JayCluster live in action, so that way you get a good feel on exactly how this indicator plots, how we have an edge over all of our trading opponents, and why this is a sophisticated algorithm that allows us to get into these markets at extreme high levels, extreme low levels, and to play right along with the institutions. So let's go ahead and play this. This is a market replay on Ninja. This is Friday, May the 5th, and this is yesterday's price action. And I'm going to start at 7:30 in the morning. I teach traders in my live day trading room that you really only need to trade from 7:30 or actually 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock every single day. There's enough ticks with my system that you'll be able to generate enough ticks during that 3-hour window, because that's where the most volume is. And I'm going to play this right now on market profile, not market profile, but on the JayCluster, just to show you how this indicator will come up automatically for you. So let me get this started. Market replay. Okay, price action is going to start ticking over here to your right. As you see, and I'm going to speed this up a little bit. I'm going to speed this up so you can see we got price action ticking. Now, what happens is that these lines automatically plot for you, and you see they're live. See, it just said this is a 62% retracement from this leg. So there's the high, there's the low. So it automatically plots that was a 62% retracement. Now, if you ever did Fibonacci analysis, and I've been doing this for over 20 years now, is that there's certain Fibonaccis that you want to use and certain Fibonaccis that you don't want to use. I mean, there's tons and tons of Fibonacci programs out there. You get all the way from the Gartley to the butterflies, all the way to tons and tons, 150 different combinations that you can use. Well, there's only one combination that I found that's very powerful, and that is my 1.618 and 1.41 combination. And when I get those two combinations that pop up at one price level called price and time, it's almost like what Gann did. Gann used to use price and time, and I'm using the same methodology, meaning what I'm looking for is I'm looking for two important Fibonacci clusters to happen at the exact price and time. So what I've done is I programmed only my top Fibonacci numbers into this program. I eliminated all the rest. There's a ton of Fibonacci numbers out there. So I eliminated all the rest, and I only put my top Fibonacci's for confluence. And what has to happen is I have to see a 1.414 before I see a blue line that pops up, or I have to see a 1.618 before a blue line pops up. And that tells me a possible high or possible low. But the real power, the real combination is when I get a 1.618 and a 1.414 that comes in together at the same exact price level to produce a buy dot or sell dot. So if I get a sell signal where they both come in together, I'll get a sell dot, a red sell dot. If I get it where they both come in together, like this down here, you see this is a 1.128 and this is a 0.786. They both came together for 2 times confluence, but that is a confluence level, but it is not a major level that I look for. Here we go again, 1.218886. That's confluence, but it's not my special 1.618, 1.414. Okay, I have come up with a proprietary program algorithm that picks out these levels from all the major highs and major lows. This program will look a week back, 2 weeks back, etc. It will look at all the prior highs and all prior lows, and it will project forward to the tick when a 618, a 1.618, or 1.414 comes up together. Okay, let me move this down a little bit. All right, so we're coming up to a 1.414 projection. Here it is right there. That's a possible high. It's a possible high right now projecting live. So there she rolls over. She's starting to roll over now. Okay, so this will plot in all markets. Now this works with all markets. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 times confluence. So when you see a blue line pop up, a 1.414 or 1.618, if you have other Fibonacci's that popped up together, you know that's a major inflection point for a possible turning point. But guess what? That's not the most powerful part. We never had a dot pop up, right? So if we never had a dot pop up, that's not my major buy or sell signal. This is still a possible entry. It's just not a strong entry like we have coming here at around 8:30. We had a really strong entry. It called the low of the session on Friday. This program has been known to call the high and the low of the session in every single market. So it doesn't happen every day, but what happens is that you get major inflection points during those days with this program. But when you have a program then called the session highs and session lows, okay, on any given day, that's pretty awesome because you're trading with the institutions, hedge funds, high frequency traders, etc. But look at it come off this level. You came off of 96.34, really heavy. You came all the way down, and I got this running on market replay at 10 times speed, so it's a little faster movement. But if you notice, it fell immediately down into the 96.15, and it's going to continue to fall here. But the point is that this program automatically does the work for you. If I see a 414, it'll turn blue. If this is a 1.618, it will turn blue. But when they both come together, when you get 1.618 and 1.414 come together, then you have the ultimate buy and sell signal. Now watch this. Look how cool this indicator is with all markets. And we have a lot of traders that are trading this program right now, and it works on the Forex. A lot of traders are trading the Forex. I got traders trading individual stocks, Apple, Google, ETFs. I've got traders trading all the futures markets. I'm talking all of them. Euro, oil, British pound, New Zealand, everything you can think of, this system works on. So it really doesn't matter. So you can have multiple markets doing this. Now let me speed this up one more time, 15 times, because we got a buy signal coming up, or 20 times. Now, as we come down, you're going to see these projections pop up. These lines automatically pop up. Okay, and what we're looking for is a 1.414 retracement and a 1.618 to come together at one price point in time. Okay, so as we move down, there's no signal. There's 86 retracement. Okay, so now we're coming down to the 414. So we're not looking for a setup yet. As soon as you get down to 1272, a 1.128, like right now, I start looking. Here we go. Now let me move this over. Get ready. There's a 414. Get ready for the 414-618 possible extension. We already moved up 70 to 85, 15 ticks. There it is. There's the buy dot. We had a 618 retracement. You can have two 618s, okay, together for confluence. Now this is 3 times confluence. 1, 2, 3. Let me see this down for you. If you look back here, you see the 414, 618, 618. So I had a 414, a 1.272, a 1.618. This is 4 times confluence. All you need is 2 times confluence for the dot to pop. Okay? That's all we need for the dot to pop right back here. Right here. You see how it works? 618, 618, 414, there's a dot. Look at the rally you get off this market. Look at the rally. Look at that rally. 60 all the way up to 10. Immediately, okay, and matter from 8:55 all the way to 9:10 in 15 minutes, we rallied all the way up, okay, for 50 ticks. That's $500 per one contract. $500 per one contract. Now, this ended up going all the way up. If you look at it, it went all the way up. If you look from the buy signal, look at that, guys. It went from 95.60 all the way to 97.20. 95.60 to 97.20. Look how pretty that is. 95.60, 97.20. Okay, everybody, you want to attend our trial, just make sure you give it Gerald, and then he'll give you all the information. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.